Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you a plus size haul that I got from City Chic. City Chic is a website that sells exclusively plus size from, what I'm led to believe. I'm not extremely familiar with City Chic. I've only ever owned a few pieces that to be honest I've really only picked up from like the op shop or the buy swap sell pages on Facebook. So this will be my first experience purchasing from City Chic from their website. They do have stores, but I live in a rural town, so going to a City Chic store would mean driving 5 or 6 hours to the city. So I jumped on their website, and generally City Chic are quite expensive, so I went through their clearance section and I actually managed to pick up quite a decent amount for a small amount of money. So let's get straight onto it. If you would like to see what I have got in this little bag, then keep on watching. So it just comes in a plain white parcel satchel, and that is fine. I'm just going to cut it open because I don't want to try and rip it. These bags are pretty hard to tear. I've had this for a couple of days actually, and I've been busting my butt to open it because, yeah, like I said, I've never bought from City Chic before, but I am aware of City Chic and their clothing is stunning. So I'm just really excited. I'm just going to move back a little bit so that we can see what's going on. And here's a little sneak peek of what's in the bag. Now, I think that what I might do is the same thing I did with my last clothing haul. I will show you everything. We'll run through the price and the sizing and da-da-da-da-da, and then I will go off camera and set myself up to try everything on, and then we will do it that way. So I'll show you everything now, and then we'll go back and I will try everything on in the second half of the video. So make sure you hang around, because that's the best way for you to get a really good view of the clothing, is when you see it on me, not just holding it up, because it always looks so much different on the body. So I'm just going to have a quick look and see if I got an invoice, because that would be really handy. And I don't think I did, unless it's at the bottom of the bag. So we'll just start with what's on the very top, and it's all folded in half. Oh no, we did get an invoice. There we go. So in total I spent, oh, that's a return slip. No wonder I can't see what's on, the prices, because that was a return slip. And it's all sort of bunched up and tangled. Alright, so the first item is this, and it looks huge. Oh, City Chic are, really generous with their sizes, in my experience. So I may have underestimated or overestimated my size. So this is the size large. This is the Primavera top. It was originally $89.95, and it's an off the shoulder, and it's got these incredible bell sleeves. Look at that. Oh, dying, look at that. Oh jeez, I can't wait to put that on. So that is the first top, and I am already dying to try that on. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Let's go with the second one. Can you see how excited I am? Oh my gosh, I'm turning into a shopaholic. Okay, so the second item, this is the Bahama Jumpsuit, and this was originally $119.95. So you can see how expensive these things are, but I guarantee I didn't pay, the ticket price for these. These were all in the clearance section. So this this is a jumpsuit. So it goes this way. So it has like straps, and then it has the cold shoulder sleeves, and it has a tie waist. So we have a tie waist, and this one doesn't feel as big as the last one, but this one's actually 3/4 long, so it's not a full length jumpsuit. It's supposed to be 3/4 jumpsuit. So, and that's a size medium, but that actually looks more like it's going to fit me a little better, but we won't know till we try them on. I could just be feeling skinny today. All of this is either going to be too small or it's going to be miles too big, but that's the gamble that you take when you buy online, isn't it? Especially plus size, because plus size girls, we struggle buying online because there's just no sizing consistency. And even though this has been a problem for years and years and years, it still hasn't been resolved. So, you know, you could buy something that's a medium in one brand and then go and buy something in another brand and it's small. And then you can go and buy, you know, the same sort of thing, same shape, same design in another brand and it's an extra large. So it's really difficult to gauge, especially when you've never bought from that place before or you've never worn the clothing before. So what I find really interesting, what I'm looking in the bag now, is that those two items came unwrapped and then the rest is all packaged in bags. So that's a little bit strange. So this one, oh, I actually paid full price for this one. This is just a super long line top and this was $29.95. And I've actually bought this one for work. I'm sorry it's so noisy. That noisy plastic. I'm so sorry about the sound. Oh, there's so much packaging. Oh, okay. So this is just a super long line top. So it's just got a nice round neckline and little sleeves. It's just a nice cotton fabric. I'm pretty sure it's, oh, it doesn't say on the tag, but yeah, this was a large, and it's just a super long, like, dress tee, kinda, and that's going to be really nice for work, and the quality's amazing, actually. It feels great. Let's see if I can see what it's made out of. So, it's 95% cotton and a 5% elastane. Yep, so I thought it was cotton. It's got that beautiful, fresh, cool feel, and that is just for a plain black tee. I'm actually excited to wear that too. It's really heavy too. Great quality, great quality. So I'm super, super stoked about that one because that's for work. Next is another one in the packaging, and it has a stain on it. Great. Let's see if you can see that. It's just there. Is that showing up on the camera? Right there. Oh, what the fuck? I'm not happy about that. This is the Catalina top, and it was $79.95, and it's a size large. I'm going to have to return that. Oh, I will open it. So we will, just for the sake of the video, I am going to try it on. But I'll be returning that because that's crap. Like, for the price you pay for these clothes, you expect them to come in pristine condition, not with a big bloody stain on them. So I'm really pissed about that. But it's a pretty top. So it's just got like all this crochet detail through the neck and then through the center and on the ends and then on the sleeves. It's such a pretty top. Where's that stain? Yeah, look, right there. I don't know if you can see it. It's a big yellow splotch there. Oh god, that's so shitty. That's crap. But, oh well, I'll send it back. It comes with a return slip, so obviously I can send it back. And this is the last item, and this is another one that I was super excited for. I love the pattern on this. This is the striped floral top, and this was $79.95. And I'm pretty sure, like, there's nothing in the bag, so there's no packing slip. And off the top of my head, each item was between $20 and $40. So I know that the most I spent on one item was $40. So pretty good discounts. And this one, this is a size large, like I said, $79.95, and this is really pretty. So, which is the front? Oh, so that's the back. It just has a tie at the back, and this is the front. It's that slinky, slippery material. Now it looks like a wrap top, but it's not. It just has that little faux bow at the front, and the sleeves are, come on, like sort of like bell sleeves again, and I love that print. I love it. So hopefully this all fits. I'm so excited. So bummed about the stain on that other white top, but you know, we can deal with that. We'll work that out. Okay, give me a sec, guys. Let me rearrange everything, and I'll come back and we will try it all on. Okay, guys, this is the first one. This is the Riviera top, and I think I'm in love. Oh, look at those sleeves. Oh, yes, ma'am. Oh. I feel so sexy in this top, honestly. Like, I am... Yeah, oh yeah. I just feel like I could float away, fly away with my big wings. It's so comfortable and just so airy, and it is quite heavy, so it's definitely a good one for autumn or spring, not summer. It's that fabric that doesn't breathe very well, but yeah, oh, I feel good. I'm feeling good about this. What do you think? What do you think? Oh, I love it. I love it. So this is the jumpsuit. I'm not really feeling this one. I feel frumpy in it, and I don't feel like I look very nice at all. And it sort of cuts off at the leg at a funny length. I'll try and show you. It's a bit hard where the camera is, but can you see it sort of cuts off, like it cuts off just above my ankle, and I'm not feeling it. It looked great on the model. It's got pockets, which is cool, but yeah, can you guys let me know in the comments what you think, because I'm not really liking it. I wish I could show you a full view of what it looks like. Yeah, let me know, guys, because I might return this one, maybe. Okay, this is the black super long tee that I bought, and this is honestly so comfortable. It feels really nice, and I think that because it sort of has like that A-line, like it's quite slimming, makes my boobs look really nice. And yeah, so it's kind of like a t-shirt dress kind of, but I bought this for work, and it's going to serve its purpose great. It's so comfortable, it's light, it's a heavy fabric, but it's not like heavy as in like it's going to get hot. And I just noticed before too that on the back there, beside the tag, it has this really cute little Diamante CC detailing, which stands for City Chic, I'm guessing, but that's really cute. And yeah, just for a simple black tee, I'm super happy with this one. Okay, so this is the one that I will be returning because it has a stain, and also it's really big, like it's huge. I don't have anything on underneath it, but I would recommend wearing something underneath it. It's beautiful and light, so it'd be great for summertime and spring and autumn, I guess. We're heading into autumn, so it would be nice with a little cami underneath. You wouldn't want to wear it with anything like catching jewellery, because you'll catch on all this really fine crochet. It is a very delicate top, so you'd need to be careful of that. But yeah, I will be returning it because it is massive. It's massive on me. And there we go with that inconsistent sizing again, which is a real shame. But I would have taken it back either way, because that stain, it's just not showing up on the camera very well. It's right there. Can you see it? It's like a big yellow dot. And yeah, so I won't be keeping this one. But yeah, I thought I'd try it on anyway, just for the sake of, you know, this video and reviewing City Chic. But yeah, no, this one's not a winner. Okay, last one. So this one, I love the print on this one, but it does feel a little bit funny on. I don't know if it looks funny on. Yeah, again, let me know what you think, because, you know, other people's opinions do count. You look at yourself and think something looks fantastic, but it really looks silly, or you think something looks terrible, but it really looks great. So other people's opinions are really helpful. So please do let me know what you think. This faux bow, you know, tie wrap business at the front is a little bit strange, because it's really heavy, and it sort of pulls the front of the top down, and the back, it's okay, and it has like the tie up at the back, which I couldn't reach myself to tie up. And yeah, it's quite nice. I feel like the fabric doesn't breathe very well, but in the cooler months, which we're heading into, it shouldn't be a problem. So I'm happy to wear it in the cooler months. I definitely wouldn't wear it in summertime, because it is that fabric that doesn't breathe. But yeah, I'm so in love with the print. So I'm so torn about this one, guys. I would really love your opinion. Does it make me look frumpy, or does it look okay? I did try everything on just with a pair of black leggings, just, you know, for transparency, so everything was styled with the same thing. And obviously you could wear it with a skirt, with jeans, you know, with anything, but I thought wearing everything with a pair of black tights, just for now, just for the video, just so we focus on the actual piece of clothing we're looking at. Yeah, I'm sure that if it was styled differently, you know, it would look a lot nicer. But yeah, I'm just not, I don't know. Can you just help me out and let me know what you think? Because I really need some help. I do. Okay. So that was my haul, guys, from City Chic. Let me know if there was anything that you thought looked nice, anything that you thought didn't. Please give me your honest opinions, because I really do appreciate that. If there's any other brands that you would like to see me try, just let me know in the comments below. I'm happy to try out things so that you guys don't have to spend your money, you know, on things that you haven't seen before. So yeah, let me know. And I do think that overall I am, oh, itchy nose, itchy nose. I am overall happy with City Chic. The quality of everything is beautiful. The only problem that I had was definitely with one, with the sizing, and that white top that came with the stain on it. Like, for the price